Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Explore Life with Sutapa. Today we are again on a new trip and it is to Bakkhali. We went to Bakkhali in 2023 September. That's the time when I first got my GoPro, and after around 2 years we are going again, and we will show you the road as well as whatever birds, wildlife, whatever we get on the way and there. So you stay with us throughout the whole journey.
The monsoon has retreated from Bengal. Though it is supposed to be an autumn season, it is awfully hot and humid due to a depression looming in the Bay of Bengal. As the weather department gave news that no cyclone or rain is hitting coast of Bengal during our trip days, we packed our bags and we were on our way to Bakkhali. Bakkhali is a beach on the coast of West Bengal in South 24 Parganas. Known for its biodiversity, it is one of the favorite hotspots of birdwatchers of Bengal. The beaches of Bakkhali and nearby beaches like Fraserganj, Kargil Beach, Henry Island, and Lalganj are frequently visited by uncommon and rare migrants. Not only that, there are very rare sightings of vagrants like pectoral sandpiper all the way from Arctic, recently from a village near Bakkhali. Though we couldn't manage a trip during that time of sightseeing, we decided to visit Bakkhali to enjoy its nature. Which route we took to reach Bakkhali? What are the road conditions? Where we stayed? What are the other staying options? To know all this, you keep watching this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's start the video. On 24th October 2025, Explore Life with Sutapa team went on a road trip to Bakkhali. We started early at around 6:30 am in the morning.
Last time when we went to Bakkhali, we took the route from Baruipur and then Amtala, Usti, Kagdeep, and this time we are going via Diamond Harbour. So this is the first time we are taking this route, so we will share our experience of driving through this route. You stay with us.
It was a busy Friday morning, so till Behala we didn't face any traffic, and then we took the Diamond Harbour route, and there it was a bit congested because of an accident. Though congested, the road conditions in this route was more or less good. I will share this route, Diamond Harbour route, in the description box for your convenience. Soon we reached the Swaminarayan temple. It's a beautiful temple. The temple opens at around 7:30 am. There is a parking space where you can park your car, and the parking charges is rupees 50. There also seems to be an option to book your stay at this temple. There is also a canteen where veg food is served. After spending some time at the temple, we went ahead. This route after Behala till Diamond Harbour outskirts is really congested. After that, we reached the outskirts of Diamond Harbour. This road was very beautiful, full of greenery. We reached Diamond Harbour. The road beside River Hooghly offered a wonderful drive and view. We stopped at Sagarika Tourism Property, owned by West Bengal at Diamond Harbour, to have our breakfast. This property is located just opposite to River Hooghly. We had our breakfast, and this was the cost. There was a person who was selling some jute items just outside the property. The items were beautiful. We bought some and spent some time at the riverside before moving ahead. After that, we crossed Kagdeep. Then we crossed the famous Hatania Dobania Bridge. After crossing the bridge, there is only one toll on this road. The toll tax is collected in cash here. Finally, the signboard showed Bakkhali and Fraserganj, and we were nearing our destination. We finally reached our resort at Bakkhali at around 12:30 pm. We had booked a room at BALUTOT Property, owned by West Bengal Tourism. In 2023 also we have stayed in this resort only. There are two buildings, old building and new building. We stayed in the same room which we have stayed last time in 2023. In 2023, I have posted a video in which I have covered the property in details. So if anyone wants any information, they can get the information from there. The room in the resort can be booked online, and I will provide the link of the site in the description box for your convenience. You can get all the details about the cost from there. Our reason for booking the same room was the view. The view was just awesome from the top floor. It was room 208 in the new building. Our experience of stay in this resort has been good. The bathrooms are clean, the rooms are clean, the food is good. So overall, we had a good stay, we can say. I really like the view from this balcony and from this room. Now about the other staying options at Bakkhali. One is Hotel Balaka, another one is Hotel Amravati. Though we have not stayed at these places, but they looked quite nice from the outside, and we saw many families staying there. There is also one hotel known as Hotel Deepak, which is in Fraserganj. It is budget friendly, and many birders who visit Bakkhali on a regular basis prefer this hotel to stay. After freshening up, we went to the dining hall to have our lunch, and after lunch, we went for birding. There we did 3 session birding, 2 session birding at Kargil Beach and 1 session birding at Henry Island. So all this I will cover in my next videos. So to know what birds and wildlife I got in those birding sessions, you please keep watching the series. My purpose of sharing these road trips are because sometimes when we go on a road trip, we also look for information about the road, about the toll tax, etc. So if this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to let us know. So till the next video of this series, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.